Sir Goosechuk! I thought he had a, thought he was from somewhere. I don't have anything there. He's a little Joker-esque. We've only seen him in a one match since he actually lost. Yeah, it was rough. It was rough. No, you hate to see it. You really do. But, you know, all things considered, he's in the running for the Animalia Championship. Who's next? Oh, shit! And introducing the next opponent, the Junkyard Dog. Doing a little dance on the way. A true legend. A true legend in pro wrestling. And sports entertainment. Hey, Samuel. Well, Junkyard Dog gonna be given a shot. A taste of the title, if you will. Oh.
Hey, there he is.
That's one of your teammates.
Oh, yeah. He's gonna win. Guarantee you. Dub.
Well, if he wins, he has to face Mufasa, because Mufasa is the animal champion.
Well, that's okay. I'd rather it be him than any of these other shmups. The Pack is a strong unit, a well-oiled machine, and that's okay if we gotta face each other now and then. That's gonna happen when we got the best in the company all under one roof. That's okay.
I was just gonna say, Mufasa and Shamoose haven't been getting along as of late. There's been a little tension.
They're gonna settle it in the ring, and it's all gonna be good.
I'll believe it when I see it. Shamoose came this close to capturing the Animalia Championship. Can he do it again? I want to remind you, today's episode of GCW is brought to you by Taco Bell. What do we got? Oh, wait, I know who this is. And introducing next from Pawtucket, Rhode Island, the EMT of GCW, Striker Fox. Such majestic hair. It's true. Shamoose has great hair. What's your Taco Bell promo code?
Everybody in the pack has to do it. That's a
Even you? Mufasa doesn't have any.
Well, he's a bald beauty, unlike somebody.
Taco Bell promo code is code Galeer for -2% off of your order. You actually have to pay more if you use my promo code. Oh, shit! Is it true? Is he back? He is! The Beast has returned to GCW. Sam looks like he's seen a ghost. Where's he from? Milwaukee? Brock time. Minneapolis. And from Minneapolis, Minnesota, the Beast, Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar. Never held. He's gotten pretty close to some GCW gold. Just within reach, though. Can he earn himself a shot today? I'd say if he goes up against Mufasa, Mufasa's toast.
Don't be so sure about that. Frosty got some tricks up his sleeves. Let me tell you.
All right. Well, other than Shamoose, who is a serious threat in this match?
I think Shamoose has got this one in the bag. Well, I can't say other than Shamoose. Why would I pick against my own teammate? What's the logic in that?
I don't know, but this ladder match is underway. The rules of the match are simple. Climb the ladder, get the briefcase, and you get a title shot. It's been... Oh God, it's been so long since we've had one of these matches. I think it's been over a year. I could be wrong, though, but Sir Goosechuk teeing off on Brock Lesnar on the outside, and both of them putting their fists up. Shamoose is the ultimate opportunist, many have called him.
Yeah, but that's true.
Okay. And Junkyard Dog already grabbing a ladder. Oh, it knocks over Striker Fox. Shamoose, crossbody off the springboard. And this match can go several different ways. We don't know what's going to happen here. Sam thinks he knows.
That's a sport.
Yeah, man. Goosechuk knocked to the outside. Junkyard Dog grabbing Shamoose. Snake Eyes. That's his weakness. And Junkyard Dog sent to the outside. Now Striker Fox is going to go for Shamoose. The EMT of GCW. Striker Fox going to try to scale the ladder real quick. Junkyard Dog going to go for him. Shamoose and Junkyard Dog working together. Oh, but Striker Fox shakes him off. And the ladder's pushed down. Oh!
I've never seen it do that. So it's just picture perfect.
A lot of big beefy men slapping beef. Shamoose using some technical prowess over Junkyard Dog.
Fast, he's sneaky. He's gonna pull this off.
Let us know, Chad, if you think Shamoose has what it takes to pull it off. Sir Goosechuk. Oh! And Junkyard Dog gonna look to set up the ladder and climb it. Brock Lesnar steps in front of him. Junkyard Dog pulls him down. Shamoose takes advantage. Oh, but he can't climb the ladder in time. Shamoose gonna go for it again. Striker Fox going to take advantage of the situation. He's got his hands on the briefcase, but oh! And they fall off the ladder. And Striker Fox gets German suplex. Brock Lesnar takes advantage. Powerbomb. None of these wrestlers have won a title in GCW. The carnage. It's true. Shamoose grabbing the ladder, knocks over Brock. Sets up the ladder. Junkyard Dog.
This is what I'm talking about.
Oh!
Damn it!
Sam is livid at the commentary table. Some slaps from Brock. Sends Shamoose into the ropes. Sends Brock out. Oh! Oh, he didn't get all of it.
Stupid. Get back in.
Striker Fox unloading on Junkyard Dog. We've got blood.
You know his name's not the Joker, right?
He's the Joker, okay?
Okay. And Brock gonna climb the ladder. Brock's got his hands on the briefcase. Oh! Brock's hanging right below the ladder! Brock! I hope he gets a safe landing. Oh! Sam is not happy with the way his teammates performing. He's just a little anxious. He's just a little anxious. Oh, big German suplex from Brock. Now Brock locks up with Shamoose. Oh, lariat connects. We've got 2 Twitch title matches on the line tonight. We've got a Spotify Royale and our world title main event, Lord Sweepy versus Happy, the rematch. Shamoose, what's he thinking? He was scouting Brock, but that might have not been the best decision. Uh-oh. Powerbomb to the outside!
It's okay. It's fine.
A lot of energy between all the competitors in this match right now. They get knocked to the outside, and they're already back in the ring. This match could go on for an hour.
He's got the stamina, I'll tell you that. We trained for this kind of thing.
Goosechuk with the takedown. Now going to try and grab the Joker. Pulls him down. Oh! Shamoose powerbomb on the ladder. And now Shamoose going for the Mooseplex. It connects. It's insurance. He wants to make sure Goosechuk's out. Now Junkyard Dog setting something up for Striker. Big slam! Now slowly climbing the ladder. He's a bloody mess. Brock Lesnar! F5 and knocks down the ladder. Oh, German suplex on the ladder now. Oh, another one! Oh, God. Oh, broken up by Striker Fox. Look at the size difference between Brock and Striker Fox. Oh, tossing him around like a little rag doll. Where's Shamoose? Is it? Is DoorDash here? He's very upset about his Taco Bell. You're a diva when you don't eat. Shamoose now working on the limbs of Junkyard Dog. Sir Goosechuk going to the top here with the headbutts. Goosechuk. He do be playing the mini. Oh, God. Goosechuk. Oh, God. Electric chair off the ladder. Get the tables. It's true. I would love to see a table in this match. Oh, Goosechuk trying to do some damage with the ladder. He lands a shot on Shamoose. Goosechuk now gonna climb the ladder. Nobody else is in the ring. Goosechuk. Striker Fox gonna do something. Wait, what's Goosechuk doing? Oh, my God, it gets pushed off. Now Striker. What do we got? Big power bomb from Striker Fox. Now Junkyard Dog. Oh, it's knocked off the ladder now. These competitors are starting to get tired, and Striker Fox seemingly not climbing the ladder, not taking advantage of this opportunity. Brock climbing now. He's got his hands on the briefcase. Now, oh, powerbomb onto the ladder. Now Goosechuk. Emotional damage. Goosechuk, oh my God, right onto the ladder again. Another one? Nope. Stiff forearm. And what Goosechuk could really use is a win. Not only the championship opportunity, but the win in general. He's 0-1. I'm gonna go fact check that right now. I actually might be wrong. I think he's 0-1. Sir Goosechuk, 0-1 in GCW. Now Goosechuk gonna climb again. Brock keeping him in his crosshairs. Striker Fox gonna push. Oh no! Brock with a suplex, and he's sent to the outside. Flat on his back. Wow. Who's at the top right now? Brock Lesnar made the climb. He's trying his best. Mufasa might be in trouble if he challenges. If he's challenged by Brock Lesnar for that title. Holy shit, and Goosechuk pulling out a larger ladder, bridging it across the apron and the announce table. Shamoose at the top now. Shamoose hanging by a thread here. What's up, Zach? How we doing? Oh, and a powerbomb onto the ladder. Jake Impact, thank you for the gift sub. 122 in the channel. Thank you. How's it going? We are joined here by Stupendous Sam on commentary. He's receiving some DoorDash right now. Shamoose sends Brock to the outside. Get rid of the big man. It's good choice there. And now Shamoose. Both Shamoose and Goosechuk setting something up for Striker Fox. Striker Fox reverses. Junkyard Dog gets a hold of him. Suplex position. Striker Fox gets out of it. German suplex reversal. Wild Guy, I hope you enjoy that sub, buddy. Oh, and Junkyard Dog set. Uh-oh. Wait a sec. Both of them gonna jump. Oh my God. Both of them jumped at the same time on Junkyard Dog. Brock's taking advantage again of the situation. Wow. Striker Fox looking for something big. Oh! But he gets knocked down by Brock Lesnar from the top. What a sequence. And Brock Lesnar going for the F5, but Goosechuk interferes now. By God, he's broken in half. I don't know how Junkyard Dog is even in this shit. He just got a double fucking dive from Goosechuk and Striker Fox. Brock making a lot of progress on that briefcase. And remember, the winner of this match goes on to face Mufasa, who is not only the leader of the pack, but the GCW Animalia champion. Shamoose. And we'll do predictions for these other matches as well. Brock Lesnar, F5 connects on Shamoose. This match is extremely wild. Very first ladder match in Season 2. Very first Galeer in the Spotify match in Season 2. It doesn't get any better than this, folks. And Striker. Suplex to Brock. Code breaker from Sir Goosechuk. Oh! And the face buster. Call commentary, go in stream chat. I know. Hang on one sec. After this match, we will. And now Goosechuk dropping Shamoose. Goosechuk at the top, picking his spot. Axe handle breaks up the grapple attempt by Striker Fox, and the headbutt from Junkyard Dog. It's a chain of events. Everyone's trying to get a piece. Big slam from Junkyard Dog. Got some other matches going on tonight as well. Galeer will be in action. We'll have the debut of Casey Catanzaro and Maria Lopez. We'll see Zach Stacks take on Lando Alcal. 2 Twitch titles on the line in our World Championship main event. And that 10-women Spotify Royale. I forgot about that, too. Ooh. A lot going on here. Don't know where to keep my eyes focused. Oh, and Striker Fox biting the face of Sir Goosechuk. Oh. Junkyard Dog's got another ladder. Now it becomes a matter of how many ladders. There is more DLC coming next week. I actually want to have a match next week to determine which DLC characters get a GCW contract. Since Casey was the only one in the only female in the DLC, we're gonna give her a contract. But the dudes will have to fight for it. I don't know who's in the next one. I know it's Cactus Jack. Now Goosechuk sets up the ladder. Shamoose climbs it. Junkyard Dog and Goosechuk. Oh! Brought down. Cactus Jack, Vader, Ilya, Indy, and the Boogeyman. Oh, hell yeah. Boogeyman will be fun. Got lots of blood in this match. Goosechuk, he's trying. Junkyard Dog is not letting anybody get to that briefcase except for him and maybe sometimes Brock. Oh, and Striker Fox has been busted open, it looks like. Now Junkyard Dog going to try and climb the ladder here. Slowly makes the ascent. It's going to be hard for him to land any shots there. He's going to stop. Is he going to climb down? Oh, he's a little gassed from that. Junkyard. Oh my God, the ladder just fell. Conveniently enough, or funny enough, 2009 was the first wrestling game that I played. Big gut buster to Shamoose. Now Goosechuk going up. Sam has returned. You missed the craziest spot I've ever seen. Oops. Oh yeah, Sylvia sounds like her. That's funny. Yeah, mine was too. I actually got a freeze today because it was hot. Oh, Brock putting in the Kimura on Junkyard Dog. Shamoose has got it. He's so close. He's so close.
Yes! That's how we do it. That's what the Pack does. We get dubs. Now,
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your winner, Shamoose. And it looked like Brock had it for most of that match. And now, Shamoose will challenge Mufasa for the Animalia Championship.